Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to hide liked reels on Instagram. It's super easy to do. If you want to hide your comments and likes from your friends that they are using, so this is the super way to hide your likes and comments from your friends. So you have to do is open up your Instagram app, and as you can see over here, if you watched any of the reel, so you will, if you have liked any of the video, and now your friends in your friends tab will see your video. So you have to do is to turn this off if you don't want to see your friends, or they didn't want to see your videos, or like the videos that you have liked. So to do this, you have to come in your profile, and then you can see over here on the top right corner the three lines. Click on that, and then you will comes in your settings and activity. You have to do is scroll up, and you will see over here who can see your content. So in this, you will see at the last option over here, activity in friends tab. So once you click on that, it will comes in this page, who can see your likes and comments on the reel in the friends tab. If you want to do is to no one, so no one can see your liked videos or the comment that you have comment on any post. And if you have selected this followers, you followed back. If you want to show them that you have like a comment on any post, and they will see this. So if you want to do is click on this no one, and now your friends will never see your liked videos or the comment video that you have previously done or recently done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.